Welcome to our tutorial. We'll make technology easy for teachers and students and all tech enthusiasts. We are seeing a Z formula, and now I want to go to the next one, which is SUMIF. How do you use SUMIF in Azure? It's very simple and straightforward. If you check very well, I have a list of cars and some figures attached to it, like Toyota, Honda, and the rest of them. Some of the cars appear 2 times, while some appear 3 times, and stuff like that. So how do we calculate SUMIF? Without much ado, let's start here. Let me come over here. I want to give this a color. So I'll go to my color scheme and add yellow and add this to this. So now here is total car, right? I'll come over here. Alright, equals to. Then SUMIF. Okay. SUMIF. Open a bracket. Then select a range. Okay. Make sure that the range starts from the beginning to the end of all the things you want to actually calculate. So what is the duty of SUMIF? SUMIF help you to calculate the total. Let's put here, you put a comma here. Then you come over here, click on this, and then add a comma. See, I click on the empty space, okay? This empty space, any number. Let me explain something here, what SUMIF is all about. If you talk about sum will give you total sum of everything, okay? The aggregate of everything. But talking about SUMIF help you to understand, for example, how many Honda do I have? What's the total figure for Honda? What's the total figure for Toyota? So specificity. We are now specifying that, okay, I want calculation of just the Honda. You know, like in a big company, maybe we want to total figure of a particular brand, okay? Particular brand or name of a product. That's what you're after, not the whole sum of whatever you are selling. So that is what SUMIF is all about. So this place, empty place, we click and we add comma. If you are going to be writing the name of the product, and we're getting the total sum of that product. So then after that, you take your mouse again to the beginning of the total figures, click it, and also select everything. So that's in range to select it to the end. And immediately that is done, you hold your shift key and close the bracket. So I close the bracket and you press enter. So when I press enter, what do you see? You see 0, okay? Because the reason why it's 0, because we've not yet selected any. So let's now start selecting. Let's look for total sum of Honda, for instance. Total sum of we have Hyundai, we have Honda. Let's start with Honda, for instance. Honda, H-O-N-D-A, total sum of Honda. And I press enter. And you see the figure, it gives me 160. Meaning that Honda appear only one. That's why I'm having 160, okay? What about the total sum of Hyundai? Let's check it and see what it's going to give us. H-Y-N-D-A-R. And you press enter. It gives you 257. That is 123 plus 134. If you check very well, the Hyundai appear twice, okay? Look at it, the first one, and look at the second one. They appear twice. This is it. Now what about Toyota that appear almost 3 times, right? Toyota appear 3 times. So let's check for Toyota and see what it's going to calculate. Let's type it. Toyota. Yeah, give me 435. Now you can also verify if this is true by just checking the figures. Like this Toyota, for instance, let me just use the sum to calculate to verify this. I'll write equals to, and our Toyota start with 145, then push your plus sign, plus what is the next Toyota? The next one is now Toyota is 132 plus 132. Push your plus again. Let's go for the last one. The last one is what? Is 158. 158 and press enter. What do you see? 435. So is it correct? Of course it's correct. So this is how you use SUMIF in Azure. Thank you for listening. If you enjoy what you're listening to, please kindly follow us, because here we try our best to make tech easy for teachers and students and all tech enthusiasts. Those in offices who want to know how to work with Excel. We have but one goal. We know many people knows how to use Excel. We'll try to bring out the fastest and simplest way to work with Excel so that you can increase your productivity and less stress while in office. This is exactly what you want, then kindly follow us. And also know that this class is the full class, the full video of this video, the full video tutorial is on our YouTube channel. You can click the link below this to go to our YouTube channel. Okay, you can also join our WhatsApp community by clicking the link after this. You join our WhatsApp community. In WhatsApp community, they're able to do assignment, because we do give assignments sometimes. So you can either submit your assignment for us to cross-check what you did and see how far you are going with yourself. Maybe it's fine for you to just receive it online like this, no problem. But please kindly subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook, so anytime we release videos like this, you'll be the first to get notified. And also try your best to send this to your friends, those in office, teachers, whoever you know that need Israel. Bring them in, let them see this video and learn from it. Thank you for being there and listening to Cei-Tech today. See you in our next class, because we have over 20 formulas we are taking one after the other. Starting with average. After the average, we came to SUMIF. After the sum, we are now in SUMIF. So that's how we continue till we get to the 20th formula in Israel. See you there as you book a date with us. And remember, all the classes are free.